containing each contact. So I have the first contact, so Damian Johnson, and then I have a made-up phone number, an Instagram, an email, star rating for how often I contact him, and then a avatar. So if I click him, it'll show this, and there's the information there. And I have 10 of these for each contact. Each has a different avatar, name, last name, obviously, phone number, um, Instagram, and email. And then here I just have the draw Bitmoji function. So I have all the functions drawing the individual part of my Bitmoji. And then down here I have the overall function drawing it. And then this variable is going to make the contact list. So I have, or this variable is actually making this contact list down here. So it's going to have the name, the coordinates for it. So it's going to have the first name plus the last name, then the image there, and then the phone number, Instagram, email, and stars all below it. And then here is where I get the number of stars. So I have this for loop running until the amount of stars is hit. So if it's 4, I'll have 4 stars. If it's 5, I will run until it's less than 5, and it'll show up as 5 stars. And I have these multiply. I have I in the x value to multiply out, or to multiply and get a equal distance between the stars. Here I have the contact list. So I have the black fill for the text. Then I have a for loop, which is going to run the length of the contact list, and then for each one, it's going to have it's going to have the text, the first name, last name, and then the changing y values, and this goes all the way down there. So I have the mouse clicked function, and this brings up the function. This brings up the function that's clicked, and then here it controls where I click. So if I click on Damian's name, it'll bring up Damian, or it's already up. But if I click on Paul, it'll bring up his, and then he has his stars. And then for each of them, I have a rectangle with a different color. So for Damian, it has a contact 0 because that's where the object starts. 0 is 1, and then it goes from 0 to 9. And then all the way down here, I just have my Bitmoji drawn there, and then the text saying Matt's contacts. And then I have the rectangle that is on the screen at the start. And then this changes, obviously, as I click on different names and different contacts come up.